I'm going to do this similar, I've done this one before, but I just want to do this one a little bit different. I want to have more white with this one. I don't know if the white will work, but I guess there's only one way to find out, isn't there? I will have a bit of black in there, but it's going to be more white this time. I'm going to swipe with white. So I've got black, white. I'm using the Pebeo Pouring Experiences paints. I quite like this combination of colours, so I'm sticking with it. There's no silicone oil going in at this point. So I have metallic purple, gold, primary yellow, white, black, and what did I say? Metallic violet, gold, white, fluorescent pink and yellow. And I need a bit more than I've got here. Okay, so I'm now going to do my tree ring pour part of this. How gorgeous are those colours. Now I do love it as a tree ring pour, but that's not what this one is about. So it doesn't matter that I'm kind of messing the tree ring up a little bit. Let's give that a little stretch. And I'm going to swipe out to the edge, but I'm going to be using the white to swipe this time. Put a blob in the middle and a little ring around there. And let's just see how we go. Bear in mind we have no silicone yet. Turning this around just so I can get it easier to work. I'm right-handed. I need to do this in a way I can move. So I'm starting off with a cross. Straighten that back up. Now, as is, I think that is rather beautiful, but we're going to come back in and do the dipping. So I need clean tissue in my hand, or clean-ish tissue. And what I've done is I have used some of the silicone oil and I've just put it down into the side. You can barely see it, but there is a little run of it. And I'm going to be dipping with this tool, which comes in the accessories kit. And I'm just using those little nodules at the end. So it isn't very much silicone oil at all. And we're starting to get these crocodile scales. Just going to wipe this before I put it back into the oil, just so that I'm not contaminating my oil. You can create whatever patterns you like with this. Oh, pretty, pretty, pretty. I have a couple of spots there where I've managed not to put any paint on the canvas, so I'm just touching that in. Clean that off again. Got one or two places left undipped, and I'm going to leave it at that. Those colours are amazing. I kind of wish I hadn't put the extra white in the middle. Do you know what, I might come back in, because this is all an experiment, with some of the colours again, and just go over, I don't like that middle bit, and I'm just going to put some of the, just do a little mini tree ring in the middle. Okay, can I do it? Should I do it? I'm going in. Move that back to the middle. Oh yes, that is quite psychedelic, isn't it? I like the way it's squished up some of those cells as well and made them a little bit more compact. But you know me, the only rule is there are no rules. Well, there we go. Thank you for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give me a like. Share this with any of your friends that you think might enjoy it. And I'll see you on the next one.